Let him tell you about the birds and the bees. Let him tell you about the birds and the bees. It's the chocolate honey. Let him tell you about the birds and the bees. It's the Nubian.
I met this girl the other day. She said she wants to be down with me. Call me her baby, as if she was granted. Flagged me down when I was creeping to the studio. She said, hello, where you headed? I'm down to go. Well, the lab is business. You probably wouldn't like to stay, but later on it's cool. Here's my number, give me a page. I'll be done about 3 o'clock in the morning. When I finish, let's get a little party going. I smashed off on my way back to the lab. Rehearsing sick cause I'm about to flip on 8-dat. And then they're done when my pager starts to go off. Hold on y'all, let me go and make this phone call.
Hello?
What's up?
When you get done, come over and teach me about the birds and the bees.
Yeah, alright, I'll be there. Peace.
Let him tell you about the birds and the bees. It's the Nubian. Let him tell you about the birds and the bees. It's the chocolate honey.
I met her at the skating rank. She didn't know my name, so I rapped some games. She's the toughie, had to explain. I'm not your ordinary man. I ain't gonna mistreat you or beat you, so don't worry about that. But if you see me with another girl, don't be tripping like it's the end of the world. My mama scooped me about the birds and the bees and these O.G.C.F. It's the tease of a disease for that when I be flexing, I'm using protection. Knowing if you're pregnant, there's no time for me to be guessing. Too much stressing, pressing in my brain. Don't live your life ashamed. Be a soldier, strong and brave, so I be game through the kids. And listen to my mama. Now I'm a scholar, full-time baller. Baby, you believe in me, you will be with me, and I will show you what they mean when I talk about the birds and the bees.
Let him tell you about the birds and the bees. It's the chocolate honey. Let him tell you about the birds and the bees. It's the Nubian.
As I get out the bed, let me jump into a hot shower. Cause last night I showed this TK I was no coward. It came natural, like how I gripped the microphone. From 3 to dawn, I was flipping it like a stage show. Moving back and forth, across the stage at will. Wearing my vest cause it's the best, protects like the pill. But even better, strong against the stormy weather. Rain, sleet, or snow lifestyles, they all better.
Never say it one, you ain't one, and that ain't for fun. I said she be on my team while I'm hitting home runs. So the job is done and she's calling me the top gun. I heard her sister wants some, she can come and get some. Player haters hate it, but making another one on my list. Thinking in the back of your head, I do it. But if you pick my name, you will see it's